one thing that we have been working on since many years is trying to understand what are the key factors that modulate transport. And I think that's where we have probably ways to intervene early on in the process. So trying to understand what are the mechanisms that are altered. So we know for the moment that the protein is still there. The mutant protein is part of the complex. And so we have to basically help the mutant protein to work again in this function of intracellular transport. So we've been playing with, so one way to help is either to maybe give more energy to the vesicles, maybe change modify the Huntingtin protein so that the conformation is not altered anymore, and maybe to react to that, so that the complex reattach to the microtubule. Another things that we have been trying to modulate is the activity of the molecular motors, so the protein that are associated with the molecule and have this capacity to move. So since the vesicles are detaching from the microtubule, if we manage to increase the affinity between the molecular motors and the microtubule, we could maybe reattach the complex to the microtubule. So that's the kind of strategy we are trying to do. And of course, I mean, trying to identify small molecules that would do the job so that we have way to treat patients. So that's really the strategy we are following up.